Hello and good afternoon, Richard Stouffville. Welcome back once again to the beautiful downtown. It's been a month, but there's always something going on. What you're going to miss this weekend if you don't come down here between November the 12th, we've got the Girls Weekend. This event is in conjunction with our Beyond Craft Show and Sale that's happening at 19 on the Park. It's a great event, especially if you're looking for those early Christmas gifts, unique. It's the place to go to. And like I said, we've got the Girls Weekend going on at the same time. So once you're done the show or before you go to the show, we've got a ton of things for you to try out. We've got cooking classes. We got a fashion show on tonight actually at the Hearty Artichoke. That cooking class is at the Smokery. So you're getting a professional chef showing you how to make your holiday entertainment a little bit more fun. We've got a day in Switzerland. Travel Point and Authentica Swiss have come together. They've got a bunch of authentic Swiss food, some wines, and of course they're going to show off Switzerland. You're going to want to go there tomorrow. There's a bunch of other things happening, book signing, free dance class, and if you ever wanted to get your head shot professionally done, now is the time. Denise Jones, our very own video and photographer downtown, is offering for $150. It's a hell of a deal. You got to come out here and try it out. There's a bunch of other things happening this Girls Weekend. Check us out on Facebook at facebook.com/Downtown Stouffville, or stop by the train station, find out what's happening in town, or the town's website at townofws.ca. After this weekend, there are still more things for you to do. We've got the Downtown Light Tour, always happens the night before the Santa Claus Parade. This year it's on Friday, December the 4th, 7 o'clock, meet here at the train station. We're gonna walk the street, we're gonna light up all the trees, we're gonna sing Christmas carols, have hot chocolate, and spend some good quality community time together. We'll see you downtown Stouffville.